Hey guys, welcome back to Incredible Science. I have another LEGO tutorial for you today, but you figured that out from the title. You guys smashed the likes on the last video, on the last LEGO video with 8,000, so thank you for that. And as promised, I said if it hit 2,000 likes, I will do another LEGO tutorial. So here I am fulfilling my promise, and if this video, let's go for 5,000 likes. If it hits 5,000 likes, I'll do another LEGO tutorial with tons of new designs. But today's video, I have, I think, seven new LEGO designs, all different from the last one, all easy to make, and I show you step by step how to make it. Now, not all the pieces are you able to get at the LEGO store. Some I had to get in sets, in box sets, but if you're ever looking for just a piece and you don't want to buy a set, just go to lego.com and they have a piece builder. You could just search for certain pieces. You could buy piece by piece. It's just like a few cents each, and they'll ship it to you. So don't worry, you don't have to worry about what set it comes in. I'll show you all the pieces you need, and you can go search for it either at the store, or if you have it in the set already, or you can go on the LEGO website and do their little piece finder thing. You can find just the pieces that you need. First things first, before we get to the video, I want to say thank you to you all. You guys have been showing up. You guys have been showing me the love and support, and I want to thank you for that. And again, I am giving away another pop socket, a Stay Incredible pop socket, and a Stay Incredible fidget spinner. Don't give up if you didn't win yet. I will be giving away a lot of these guys, so all you have to do is be the first person in the video to find where I say the special word of the day. Today's special word is bottle. As soon as I say that word, be the first person to comment below with the correct time when I say that word, and that's it. It's simple, and you'll win this, and I'll send it to you. So many people have won already. I'll be giving away a lot more. I know it's hard. A lot of people are really quick, but don't give up because I'm going to be doing one every single day. Your next chance after today, if you didn't win, is tomorrow at 4 p.m. And guess what? If you don't win tomorrow, the next day is another chance at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, New York time. And now let's get to the video. Now, as I said, I went to the LEGO store last week, bought a ton of pieces, got some ideas. I also bought some box sets at a toy store just to get certain pieces. And I did 5 different LEGO spinners just a few days ago. If you didn't see that video, please check it out. And now I have 7 brand new designs to show you. I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video. watching. I have another exciting video coming up. Of course, we have more fidget spinner videos and giveaways. But besides that, I have other science experiment videos coming up. Some pretty big ones, some pretty cool ones, including a giant liquid nitrogen explosion with 1,000 colorful ping pong balls. I'm going to be putting a bottle filled with liquid nitrogen in a garbage can and going to explode it up. It's going to be amazing. It's going to look really cool. So, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow. New giveaway, new video tomorrow, 4 p.m. Stay incredible.